Hey, quick question. If you're about to go on a date, would you clean up and get ready for that date? Of course you would. If you're about to sell your car, would you get it washed and detailed? Of course you would. Now, if you're about to sell your house, would you get your house prepared to sell? Yes. The answer is yes. Look, I'm Jordan Page, and on today's quick tip, I'm gonna go over some easy things that you can do to prep your home to sell for top dollar. Hey, this crazy hot seller's market has given sellers the impression that they can do almost anything and still sell their house. There's some truth to that, but if you want it to sell fast and for top dollar, it takes more than just luck. It involves some planning and knowing how to professionally prepare your home to convince buyers to pay a premium. And while there are buyers who are looking for a fixer-upper, the majority of buyers in our current market prefer a home that is move-in ready. But what does that even mean? HGTV has set certain expectations for buyers today, and therefore they're willing to pay more to get exactly what they want. HGTV is selling the same thing that us realtors are, and that's the dream of home ownership. And the dream does not include removing wallpaper, doesn't include painting a whole house or installing new flooring throughout. Everyone's busy these days, and they'd rather pay more to have everything already done. There are things we can do that'll make a big impact in the eyes of the buyer with little impact on your wallet, resulting in a great return on investment. So here's a few easy things you can do to prepare your home to sell. Number one, remember, first impressions start outside. So mow the lawn, groom the flower beds, and make sure your home has the best possible curb appeal. Now, that's harder to do in a condo, but you can make sure your door is freshly painted and your entrance looks good. Number two is clean up and declutter the inside. Okay, so just like the outside, you want buyers to focus on how awesome your interior space is, not just how messy or dirty it looks. Next is gonna be neutral colors. As much as you might love your bright red kitchen or your purple living room, buyers may not. So repaint your rooms in neutral tones like grays and whites that'll allow buyers to focus on the spaces themselves and not the color of the walls. Do a mini renovation, okay? Small updates can make a big difference in the overall feel of a room. For example, if your kitchen is a little bit outdated, you can paint cabinets, replace the knobs, light fixtures, faucet, hinges, and completely change the look of that room. The same concept also works in bathrooms and other rooms too. And that's it, guys. Hey, if you're thinking about taking on some improvements to get your home ready to sell, please send me a message. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Take care.